Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Shekar, and today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges new puppy parents face: potty training. I know. You've probably already had a few oops moments on your carpet. But here's the good news. Potty training doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. In fact, I'm going to show you the easiest method that works for nearly every puppy, regardless of breed or age. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan that will have your puppy potty trained in just a few weeks. So stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our puppy training tips. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding your puppy. Before we dive into the actual training, you need to understand how your puppy's body works. This is crucial. Puppies have tiny bladders. Like really tiny. A general rule of thumb is that a puppy can hold their bladder for about 1 hour per month of age, plus 1. So a 2-month-old puppy? That's only about 3 hours maximum, and that's pushing it. This means your 8-week-old puppy literally cannot hold it all night, or even for more than a couple of hours during the day. Understanding this will save you so much frustration because you'll realize that accidents aren't defiance. They're just biology. Here's what you need to know. 8 to 10 weeks old puppies need to go every 30 to 60 minutes when awake. 10 to 12 weeks old, every 1 to 2 hours. 3 to 4 months old, every 2 to 3 hours. And 4 to 6 months old, every 3 to 4 hours. Also, puppies always need to go after these key moments. Right after waking up, after eating or drinking, after playing, and after training sessions. Write that down. These are your golden opportunities for success. Section 2. Set up for success. Alright, now let's talk about setting up your home for potty training success. This is where most people mess up, so pay close attention. Number 1, get a crate. I know some people feel bad about crating, but dogs are den animals. A properly sized crate becomes their safe space. The key word here is properly sized. Your puppy should be able to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably, but not much more. If the crate is too big, they'll pee in one corner and sleep in another. Many crates come with dividers so you can adjust as your puppy grows. Number 2, designate a specific potty spot. Take your puppy to the same spot every single time. This area will start to smell like their bathroom, which triggers them to go. It's like their own little bathroom zone. Pick a spot that's easily accessible, especially for those midnight potty breaks. Number 3, get an enzymatic cleaner. Not just any cleaner, enzymatic. Regular cleaners might remove the stain, but they don't eliminate the odor that your puppy can still smell. If they can smell where they went before, they'll go there again. Trust me on this one. Number 4, create a schedule. Puppies thrive on routine. Feed them at the same times every day, and you'll notice they need to potty at predictable times too. I recommend feeding puppies under 6 months old 3 times a day, and pick up the water bowl about 2 hours before bedtime to reduce nighttime accidents. Section 3, the actual training method. Okay, here's the meat and potatoes. This is the exact method I use, and it works like magic. The basic routine. 1. Frequent potty breaks. Based on your puppy's age, take them out constantly. Set a timer on your phone if you need to. When you take them out, put them on a leash, even in your own backyard. This keeps them focused on the task at hand instead of getting distracted by leaves, bugs, or that interesting smell over there. Walk directly to your designated potty spot. Stand there quietly. Don't play, don't talk much. You can use a verbal cue like go potty or do your business in a calm voice, but then just wait. 2. Reward immediately. The second your puppy finishes going, throw a party. Use a happy voice, give them a high-value treat, something really good like small pieces of chicken or cheese, and give them praise and pets. You want them to think, wow, going potty outside is the best thing ever. Timing is critical here. You have about a 3-second window for your puppy to connect the reward with the action, so be ready with those treats. 3. Supervise. When your puppy is inside, they should either be in their crate, in a small puppy-proofed area, or directly supervised by you. Not just in the same room. I mean eyes on them at all times. One great technique is called umbilical cord training. You literally attach your puppy's leash to your belt loop, so they're always with you. This way, you'll notice the moment they start sniffing around or circling. The classic, I need to go signals. Warning signs your puppy needs to go include: sniffing the ground intensely, circling, whining or barking, walking to the door, suddenly leaving the room, and obviously squatting, so move fast. If you see any of these signs, immediately, and I mean immediately, pick up your puppy and carry them outside to their spot. If they're mid-accident, a calm no or aha is fine, but no yelling or punishment. Just get them outside and praise them if they finish there. 4. Handle accidents correctly. Accidents will happen. It's part of the process. Never, ever punish your puppy for accidents. Rubbing their nose in it or yelling just makes them scared of you and teaches them to hide when they go potty, which makes training way harder. Instead, just calmly clean it up with your enzymatic cleaner and remind yourself to supervise more closely or take them out more frequently. If you didn't catch them in the act, just clean it up and move on. They won't understand why you're upset after the fact. 5. Crate training at night. Your puppy should sleep in their crate at night, ideally near your bed so you can hear if they need to go out. Very young puppies might need one middle-of-the-night potty break. Set an alarm, take them out quickly and quietly, no playtime, and put them right back to bed. Section 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me save you some time and frustration by pointing out the most common mistakes I see people make. Mistake number 1. Inconsistency. Everyone in your household needs to follow the same rules. If one person lets the puppy roam free unsupervised and another is super strict about crating, your puppy will be confused and training will take way longer. Mistake number 2. Using potty pads as a long-term solution. Look, potty pads can be useful in certain situations, like if you live in a high-rise apartment. But for most people, they just confuse your puppy. You're essentially teaching them it's okay to go inside, and then later you'll have to retrain them. It's usually easier to just commit to outdoor training from the start. Mistake number 3. Expecting too much too soon. Potty training typically takes 4 to 6 months, and some puppies aren't fully reliable until they're a year old. Don't get discouraged if you have setbacks. It's normal. Mistake number 4. Using punishment. I can't stress this enough. Punishment doesn't work for potty training. It just creates a fearful puppy who will hide to go potty, making your job even harder. Mistake number 5. Not going outside with them. Just opening the door and hoping they go potty is not training. You need to go with them, watch them go, and reward them. Otherwise, you have no idea if they actually went or if they just played for 5 minutes. Section 5. Troubleshooting and final tips. Let's tackle some common issues you might face. If your puppy goes outside but then comes in and has an accident, this usually means they got distracted outside. Keep them on leash, keep the potty break boring, and don't bring them in until they've gone. If you stand outside for 5 to 10 minutes and nothing happens, bring them in, put them in their crate for 10 to 15 minutes, then try again. If your puppy keeps having accidents in the same spot inside, you probably haven't fully eliminated the odor. Clean again with enzymatic cleaner and block access to that spot for a while. You can also try feeding your puppy in that spot. Dogs naturally don't like to potty where they eat. If your older puppy was doing great, but suddenly started having accidents again, first, rule out medical issues with your vet. Urinary tract infections and other health problems can cause accidents. If they're healthy, you might have given them too much freedom too soon. Go back to basics for a week or 2. Quick final tips. Keep potty breaks short and boring. Playtime happens after they've gone. Gradually increase the time between breaks as your puppy grows. Bell training can be great. Hang bells by the door and train your puppy to ring them when they need out. Celebrate the small wins. Every successful outdoor potty is progress. And be patient with yourself and your puppy. And there you have it. The easiest way to potty train your puppy. Remember, the key ingredients are consistency, patience, close supervision, and lots of positive reinforcement. Potty training won't happen overnight, but if you follow this method, you'll have a reliably house-trained dog before you know it. And trust me, all those 2 a.m. potty breaks will be worth it when you have a dog who never has accidents in your home. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more puppy training content. Drop a comment below and let me know how potty training is going for you, or if you have any questions. I try to respond to everyone. Next week, we're talking about crate training at a deeper level, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and happy training. See you in the next video.